Having a custom app for your restaurant isn't just a fancy extra. Think of it like your new secret ingredient, that extra spice that can give you a serious edge over the competition. And with GoDaddy Airo AI Builder, you can have one ready to go before the lunch rush, complete with bookings and online ordering systems that connect to services like OpenTable, Toast, and DoorDash. No sleepless nights having to learn code, no overly ambitious concepts that go nowhere, and no expensive web developer that you need to keep in touch with. Just one platform, one conversation, and you can get started for free. How? Well, it all starts here on our Airo AI Builder page. Simply describe exactly what you want, and it'll start brainstorming ideas before generating a complete app for you. All within minutes, not months. So let's say you want an app for an Asian sandwich shop called Masarak, which means delicious, by the way, complete with menus, reservations, and an ordering system. After entering your prompt, Airo will ask a few basic questions about your business, like your goals, your usual clientele, and your restaurant's general vibe. From there, it'll get to work building your homepage, complete with relevant copy and images, along with the suitable color scheme, font style, and logo. And voila! Not so sure about the copy or design? Not a problem. You can either select the item and make the changes yourself, or tell Airo what needs changing, and it'll give you a few options to choose from. You can even save time by saying your changes out loud. It needs more blue. Much better. On top of this, Airo AI Builder will complete a brand guide for you that outlines your logo design, color scheme, and font choice, along with styling do's and don'ts, giving you a professional standard that you can adopt for your marketing campaigns. So now that you have the basics in place, let's flesh out your app with a few extra pages. Say you want to add some food menus. In just a few minutes, Airo will build a menu page that's tailored specifically to your cuisine, complete with descriptions and prices. Again, you can tweak virtually any aspect of this page by selecting and specifying what needs changing. Okay, how about something more elaborate, like a takeaway ordering system? Just say how you want customers to collect and pay for their orders, and you're done. What about a way for people to make bookings and reservations? Also done. Well, that was easy. You can even connect your app to popular services like OpenTable, Toast, and DoorDash. Just enter the prompt, integrate my app with your preferred service, then choose whether you want to embed a widget or add a button that links to your listing. From there, enter your unique account ID or URL for that service, and Airo will take care of the rest. While you're at it, you can also connect your Facebook and Instagram accounts, which in turn allows you to plan and schedule marketing content across your socials from one dashboard. Talk about a time saver. And if you know a thing or two about coding, you're welcome to fine-tune the code that Airo generates. Although we only recommend this for more experienced, how do I undelete that? Now let's say you've made too many changes and want to go back to a previous version of your app. No problem, as Airo AI Builder makes automatic backups that you can easily restore. There, good as new. So this is all looking pretty good, but it's worth previewing it on different devices like Android, iPhone, or an iPad, just to make sure everything looks and works the way you want it. Once you're happy, make it live for the world to see by clicking publish. Okay, deep breath. And it's online. Congrats. And don't worry if you need to add or change anything later, you can update your content whenever you want. If, however, you find yourself tied up in the day-to-day of your business, you can invite others to access your account and make changes to your app on your behalf. After all, a problem shared is a problem halved. So your app's up and running, but it doesn't stop there, as Airo AI Builder has a wealth of built-in features that can help you excel online. For instance, if you're worried about security, you can run a quick analysis to check for any vulnerabilities. Phew, good to know. Over time, you can also see stats on your visitors, like where they're from and what paths they take to get to your app, giving you greater insights that could help shape your promo campaigns. And as your business grows, you can upgrade your plan to unlock extra building power. Don't worry if you ever get stuck or lost either, as our guides are here to help via phone and live chat. No wonder we're rated excellent on Trustpilot. Start for free today and see how easily you can make a professional app for your restaurant using GoDaddy Airo AI Builder.